Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to another episode of Tina Tries It. In today's episode, I'm going to attempt to steam my gel nail polish off with this. This is a steam off gel nail polish remover. Now, I've had gel nail polish on myself for years and years and years. Ever since they first came out, I was an early adopter. And normally how you would remove your nail polish is the salons would use foil, a cotton ball soaked in acetone, and they would just wrap each finger up and then just let the gel polish soak off. Or sometimes they might use clips like this to secure the cotton ball and then just clamp that on and let your gel polish soak off. So that's how I've always removed my gel polish, but when I saw this claims to be able to steam off your gel polish. I feel like it seems a little bit more gentle than soaking it off. So I really wanted to try it out because I do my nails like every 2 to 3 weeks. I love doing nail art and everything, but I hate removing the gel polish. So this is what the box looks like. It's a steam off gel removal. It says it's easy to use, easy to clean. Why soak when you can steam? That was really good. Easy to use, easy to clean. Why soak when you can steam? I feel like this could be like a ShamWow ad after this. Whatever happened to that guy? So inside you have the little warranty card and I guess like the manual. I got a little power adapter. I have no idea what these are. And then I have the actual steamer itself. So it has a cap that comes off. And here, I guess this is where you would put your, ooh, it feels weird. You can see that it has a plastic bit. Oh, that's what it's for. I think these are the replaceable, I don't know, what do you call it, finger flap things? So I guess when you put your fingers in, it will stop the steam from escaping. So it kind of just traps all the steam in there. Shall I read the instructions? I think I should. Oh, this is the power adapter. Okay, let's read the instructions. It says, step 1, open the top cover and then pour 5 to 10 mils of gel removal solution. Use nail file, filing the top coat lightly. Okay, yeah. So you would always usually file or buff the top layer of your gel polish off before soaking it anyway, so that's kind of normal. And then it says turn the power switch, then the H light on. After a while, 2 minutes, S light on. You can put your fingers into the top cover as pictured. Okay, let me figure out how to open this. So it has a little arrow here. Maybe I should just like twist it. Okay, there's a little plastic dish in it. How cute is this? I feel like it's a little toy. There's another one. How many do I need? I guess maybe I just need 2 to sit on top. I don't know, I'm confused. Is this right? Maybe this one is a spare. Doesn't say. Okay. Alrighty, let's just test this baby out. I've got my bottle of acetone here. So this is just pure acetone. And I'm just going to pour it into the steamer. So it said 5 to 10 mils. Is that 5 mils? Yeah. And then I'm going to pop the, what do I call it, the cap on. Then I'm just going to turn the steamer on. And we can see there's a little red button there. So it's just going to take 2 minutes to heat up. Whilst it's heating up, I'm going to file the top layer of my gel polish off. So say goodbye to my nail art. I did this at like 2 a.m. in the morning. I feel like I'm going to have a hard time steaming some of these off because I applied layers and layers of gel on top. This one had shells in it, so I had to apply like a thick layer of gel to even out the nail bed. So it's gonna be a challenge. Oh no, it turned green and I'm not even ready to steam it. I might turn it off. So I filed off the top layer. Now I'm going to turn the machine back on, let it heat up again. So now it's green. I'm gonna pop my hand in. Ooh, it's warm. So I'm supposed to let my fingers steam for about 5 to 10 minutes. It says 10 minutes for gel extensions. I don't have extensions, but I did apply quite a thick layer of gel on some of the nails. So I feel like 5 to 10 minutes will be good for me. So. Okay, so I just heard another beep. I think it's time to take my hand out. Okay, so this is what my nails are looking like. You can see that the gel polish is lifting. I might like go in with my cuticle pusher and just see how much of that I can remove. So only half of that one came off. I think I'll have to steam it again. This one too, this one's not quite. Okay, so another 5 minutes have passed. Let's take my nails out. I'm gonna go in again with the cuticle pusher. Okay, yeah, it's a lot easier to take off my gel polish this time around. I just needed to steam it a little bit longer. I think if you just had like 1 or 2 layers of gel polish on and no intricate designs or gems or glitters and extra layers of builder gel on top, it would be a lot easier for the steamer to remove your gel polish. Okay, so I wasn't able to get rid of all the gel polish after steaming it for 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna have to go in a third time just for some of these bits here. But most of it did come off. I actually thought this would be a lot less work than how I normally remove my nail polish. But I'm starting to think that this is kind of inconvenient because I'm kind of stuck here. Usually if I have those clips or foil around my fingers, I can just move around the house, do what I do. I mean, I can't really go on my phone because I can't use like the touch screen. But generally I'm not like confined to one spot. I could like watch TV, do something else outside. So having this machine kind of just like makes me sit here, and I have to do my other hand after this. So I don't think it actually saves me any time. If anything, maybe it takes more time. Okay, I gave it another like 2.5 minutes, and I think that did the job. I'm just gonna give my nails a quick buff now, just to smooth up the surface. Now this time on my right hand, I've actually spent a little bit more time filing off the top layer. I went a little bit further down just to make sure I got that clear coat and that builder gel out of the way. So hopefully the steamer doesn't take as long to steam off the gel polish this time. We shall see if that works. Alrighty, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's take this hand out. Oh, I can see it's lifting off a lot better than before. I'm just gonna go in with my cuticle pusher now and then just scrape off that gel. Oh god, this is so much easier than the last time. I am done with my nails. I have removed my polish, I've filed them, buffed them, and also I've cleaned up my cuticles. Now they're ready for the next coat of gel polish.
But you're making me. I don't wanna feel insane, but you're making me over and over. Why do I still need you? You don't even want me. Stop taking my breath away. Why can't I just leave you? Find someone who'll treat me better and better each day. Don't you know what you've done to me?
I ended up doing this cute pinky glittery design. One thing I did notice about my hand whilst I was doing my nails is the one that I steamed like 3 times, so 15 minutes all up. This side went all pruny and it's still pruny after like 2 hours. Steaming your fingers for 15 minutes in acetone is probably not a great idea. Now, overall, the steamer did work. It did help to remove my gel polish, but I feel like I still prefer the old method better, either wrapping my fingers in foil or using those little clips that I showed you earlier. That way I can move around. I feel like I can do both hands at once and my fingers don't ever turn out pruny. Initially, I thought that steaming your gel polish off will be more gentle on your nails, but honestly, I feel like there's no difference. If anything, it damages your skin on the other side. I probably wouldn't recommend this product at all. It's bulky. You would need 2 if you want to do both hands at once. So in saying that, I would rate this product a 4 out of 10. Had it not made my skin wrinkle, I would say otherwise. I'd probably rate it a little bit higher. But after seeing my fingers like this, I can assure you acetone and steam and your fingers and your skin is not a good combination. And that concludes this episode of Tina Tries It. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel to stay updated with future videos that I post. And I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye!